This is Dr. Neelam. Welcome to this series of quarantine videos of parenting. Hope you liked the last week's video. Today we are here to discuss two important questions that were asked to us last week. One was regarding pregnant women. Are they more susceptible for getting the COVID-19 infection? And what are the chances of transmitting the infection to their newborns? And what do they do to prevent it? Now, pregnancy is a very beautiful phase, along with the changes in mental and physical well-being. There are some hormonal changes. Along with that, there are some immunity changes that we see in pregnant women. So, because of their lower immunity, pregnant women are a little more susceptible for getting the COVID-19 infection compared to the general population. Now, given said that, when I say that they can get the infection, doesn't mean that their infection severity is worse than the general population. The severity of infection remains the same. But in pregnancy, as we have to be extra cautious otherwise, so if the pregnant woman gets a COVID-19 infection, she needs to be extra careful. Now, according to the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, the data that we have so far, they have concluded that the pregnant woman is really not able to transmit COVID-19 infection to their newborn during pregnancy. Given said that, there are certain chances of transmitting COVID-19 during delivery. Also, there are certain chances of increased complications during pregnancy like bleeding, postpartum hemorrhage, or even premature labor. Now, supporting this evidence, there were a couple of studies done in Harvard in which there were 9 women studied at one point of time who were pregnant and who had COVID-19 infection. And when the newborns were seen after delivery, none of the newborns showed any signs of infection. Also, the other study involved 38 pregnant women who were tested COVID-19 positive, whom newborns were tested for COVID-19, and none of them were positive at that point of time. So that suggests that during pregnancy, the chances of transmission of COVID-19 is almost negligible. Now, since I said, the chances of complications increases, so the pregnant woman has to be extra careful. So there are certain things that they need to consider along with the routine precautions that they take. So marchoftimes.org is a very beautiful website which is designed for well-being of mothers and newborn, which gives 7-step prevention in case of pregnant woman getting a COVID-19 infection. Now, when a pregnant lady has a COVID-19 infection, along with the normal routine precautions that they take, like washing hands, maintaining social distance, they have to be extra cautious in maintaining other guidelines that are described. So they need to make sure that the hospital is aware that they have infection, especially when they are nearing their delivery. So if they are nearing the delivery, they need to inform the hospital well in advance, so the hospital can make arrangements to prevent them from, prevent the newborn from getting any infection. Now, along with that, they have to make sure, that they are staying separately in one room in the house, not coming in contact with other members of the family. Kind of quarantined, but since at this point of time she needs some help from the other members, so she needs to be around some people but definitely away from them. So these are certain things that they need to follow along with the normal routine, of getting good sleep, good food, and good thoughts. They need to make sure that they need to take into account all the other prenatal checkups and prenatal vaccinations that the doctor suggests. Now, they can always ask the doctors to call them to the clinic when none of the other patients are there, so that way the prevention of COVID-19 can be happening during the physical visit in the hospital as well. Now, they need to take breaks from this pandemic news for sure. The pandemic news is all over the place. If you keep on watching the news over and over again about mortality and morbidity, the chances of mental instability increases, and of course the newborns are equally affected. So make sure that you connect with your family, you talk to them, you talk to your doctor from time to time, take all the precautions of washing hands, staying healthy, because as they say, healthy moms leads to healthy babies. So share your thoughts, be happy, keep smiling, and stay safe. Adios until next time.